Hello everyone, this is Clara from Planetary Construction Equipment Company, and our company has considerable experience in the export trade of construction machinery and spare parts. Today let's visit the factory of CHENGLI, a special automobile company in Hubei province. CHENGLI, established in 2004, has grown to become China's largest manufacturer of special vehicles and emergency vehicles. Additionally, it's a major refitting factory of special vehicles for manufacturers such as Dongfeng, ISUZU, HOWO, Refitter, Jag, GMC, and so on. The truck-mounted crane produced by CHENGLI is a prominent and well-known brand within Chinese industry. Now let me introduce the truck-mounted crane design with Dongfeng 6x4 truck-mounted with 12T XCMG crane. This is a hydraulic truck-mounted crane with a maximum lifting capacity of 12 tons. It has 4 boom sections and the maximum boom length is 16 meters.
The single-cylinder cab and integral lifting weight increase working efficiency and prolong service life. The unique floating 3-point brake structure design effectively reduces the additional stress on the chassis beam when the vehicle is traveling.
Now let's look at the configuration of its chassis. The chassis is Dongfeng 6x4 and the engine is Cummins with 108 kilograms and the transmission is Refitter. The tires are steel wheel tires, and inside the cab there are 3 seats and equipped with air conditioning.
Notably, it is equipped with single-chamber original Outriggers, remote control system, and Turbine-Worm Planetary wheel rotation support.
The length of this cargo box is 7,400 millimeters, and the width is 2,294 millimeters, and height of this cargo box is 800 millimeters. The material used for this cargo box is carbon steel. That's all I've shared today. If you want to know more details about this 12-ton truck-mounted crane, please feel free to contact me. And I'm Clara, and I will provide you the best quotation and service for you.